Do you know that frustration feeling when you work hard to grow a small account, but see no real progress? If you haven't used multiply strategy and still haven't achieved many results, this video will reveal the pro that turning things around me that can help you too, guys. Let's start with that. I've crafted a unique surprise just for you. Watch this video from start to finish and it'll be amazing. Guys, for this video we're gonna use 4 indicators. KERT channel, 2 lines of moving average and vortex. Okay, so for KERT channel, 15, 12, and 2. The color is up to you. Alright? So click on save for that. And our first moving average, 14 and super movements. White color. For the other one, 6. Okay. And that blue. And now we got the vortex. So for vortex, we're gonna use 11, yellow, and white. Okay. So guys, we get all the settings. So we're gonna use candles, classic one, 30 seconds on time frame, $12 and 1 minute expiration time. Now you get all the configurations ready to start of that. All right, guys, for that one, for those that want to create an account, the platform registration link will be in the video description. All right, guys, I have opened that position because the best neutral position and at the same time, all indicator give me a signal. For example, when the candles moving between upper green line to the red one on the KERT channel, this is already a good start. Okay, because this is what I call moving candles in neutral situation. At this time, the blue and white color, the blue and white lines for the moving average is just defined across each other, and we got the vortex on that. That is the same thing of this one. We got the crossing line between them. Great the first conviction profit for this one. Okay, if you just get this, that's a good platform to use. Bear in mind, guys, it's just one of the strategies that can transform experience into markets. And look at that, $21 in the total for that. But guys, don't worry, I've prepared 2 exclusive pieces of content for you that will be video for your growth. So stay with me until the end of the video and enjoy it. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free? Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Let's go to the next one. All right, guys, we continue to trade here again on the same pair because we got an uptrend situation at this moment, and there is the time for the green candles cross the green line of the KERT channel. That is already crossing that. I also not forget about the white and the yellow lines of the vortex indicator. That is a good one for us to follow this to make the decision. When they both moving average line cross each other at the same time, the white and the yellow line for the vortex, the guys, as a combination, always cross each other. This is considered a great signal. I also not forget about the fact that after these signals, I finally watch whether the green or red candles started crossing the upper or lower line of the KERT channel. That is important, okay, for us to take a look on this, about the zones, okay, and then decide like how to go into the trades, okay. And look at this, guys, $21 again, 31 is the total. That's great, and I'm one again. Let's go. All right, so for that point, I see the market is moving very, very, very well. So I want to continue trading on this. Okay, this is one of the strongest points of my strategy, guys. When a good trading moment arises, as you can see right here, I take the opportunity and make several entries on the same currency pair. You can do that, but I'm not doing this right now. For example, there's what is case when I have the entry 2 times, 4 times, 5 times. That's up to you. When the current pattern, they choose the right moment to enter. Okay, that's the same thing to use a great amount or to use $4 instead. You use $10. Okay.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
So this method is incredible, effective, and profitable. So worth continuing because the market is now giving me the opportunities that I need to move out of the candle is going a little bit dangerous, and I hope will end successfully. Okay, we can see that right now. We got another win for $8.54 in the total, guys. And I want to remember, you always that my videos that are not investment advice, they are only education aid and natural. Also, please do not trust anyone that writes you about invest money on my behalf. I think I had a great trade today. Wish you successfully trading day, and see you in the next video, guys. Act right now, have good profits, good operations, and see you around. Bye bye. Thank you.